Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post two pictures in Instagram story. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to go and open Instagram and you simply need to create a story. Okay, so let's suppose I created a story. Then you simply need to click on this icon and scroll down, and in the bottom you can see this option. You simply need to click on that and select pictures. I'm going to select this one for example, and if you want you can change shape of this picture by clicking on that. Here you can see, so let's suppose I take it like heart, and now I'm going to add second picture. Click on that, so this one for example, click on that as well, and now this one. Okay, so you can add this shape as well. So now you can see that I added two pictures on my Instagram story, and then you can share your story as well. So this is the process by which you can add two pictures in Instagram story. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.